The global economy is on the brink of a significant transformation, declares the latest World Economic Forum report titled Chief Economists Outlook. But what lies beneath these optimistic predictions? As we venture further into 2024, the economic landscape presents a complex mix of opportunities and challenges that warrant a closer look. The WEF predicts modest growth driven by a recovery in trade and investment, especially in North America and Asia. However, this recovery is tempered by persistent geopolitical tensions and structural challenges in various regions. In this video, we delve into the macroeconomic trends, geopolitical risks, and sectoral shifts that will shape the global economy in the coming year, offering strategic recommendations for businesses and policymakers. The global economy is forecasted to grow at a moderate pace in 2024. The rebound in trade and investment activities, particularly in North America and Asia, is a primary driver of this growth. The United States is expected to continue its economic expansion, albeit at a slower rate compared to previous years. The Asian markets, led by China and India, are also set to experience robust growth driven by technological advancements and increasing consumer demand. In contrast, Europe faces a more sluggish recovery. Structural issues such as aging populations, high debt levels, and political fragmentation continue to impede growth. The European Central Bank's monetary policy will play a crucial role in stabilizing the region's economy, but long-term solutions require addressing these underlying structural problems. If you find this analysis intriguing, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth economic insights. Inflation remains a significant concern for central banks worldwide. The aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic saw a surge in inflation rates due to supply chain disruptions and increased consumer demand. Central banks are now tasked with balancing the need to stimulate economic growth while keeping inflation in check. The Federal Reserve, European Central Bank, and other major central banks are likely to adopt a cautious approach, gradually adjusting interest rates to manage inflation without shifting growth. Fiscal policy will be a critical tool for governments aiming to sustain economic recovery. In many countries, fiscal measures will focus on substantial investments in infrastructure, education, and healthcare. These investments are not only essential for immediate economic recovery, but also for long-term sustainable growth. Governments are increasingly recognizing the importance of digital and green infrastructures, which are crucial for future economic resilience. The specter of trade wars continues to loom over global economy. The trade tensions between the United States and China, the world's two largest economies, have far-reaching implications. These tensions disrupt supply chains, create uncertainty in global markets, and can potentially lead to economic slowdowns. Businesses must navigate these uncertainties by diversifying their supply chains and staying informed about trade policy developments. Political events and policy shifts in key countries can lead to a volatility in financial markets. Elections, changes in government policies, and geopolitical conflicts are all sources of uncertainty. For instance, the ongoing conflict in Ukraine and its impact on energy prices is a significant concern for European economies. Similarly, political developments in countries like Brazil, India, and Turkey can influence global economic stability. What do you think about these geopolitical risks? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts with us. The technology sector continues to be a major driver of economic growth. Innovations in artificial intelligence, robotics, and digital infrastructure are transforming industries and creating new economic opportunities. Businesses that invest in these technologies can enhance productivity, reduce costs, and gain a competitive edge. The rise of the digital economy also necessitates investments in cybersecurity to protect against increasing cyber threats. The global rush towards renewable energy source is gaining momentum. Governments and businesses are investing heavily in green energy projects to reduce carbon footprints and combat climate change. The transition to renewable energy not only addresses environmental concerns but also creates new economic opportunities in sectors such as electric vehicles, solar and wind energy, and energy storage solutions. Achieving sustainable development goals is a priority for global community. Policymakers are focusing on balancing economic growth with social inclusion and environmental protection. Initiatives aimed at reducing poverty, improving education, and ensuring access to clean water and sanitation are crucial for sustainable development. Businesses are also playing a vital role by adopting sustainable practices and contributing to SDGs through corporate social responsibility initiatives. Demographic shifts will have profound implications for the global economy. Developed countries are grappling with aging populations, which can strain public finances and healthcare systems. Conversely, emerging markets with youthful demographics such as those in Africa and South Asia have the potential for significant economic growth. Harnessing this potential requires investing in education, skills development, and job creation to ensure that young populations can contribute effectively to economic development. Investing in human capital is critical for economic resilience and growth. Governments and businesses must prioritize education and skills development to prepare the workforce for future challenges. Lifelong learning and reskilling initiatives are essential to equip workers with the skills needed in a rapidly changing technological landscape. By fostering a culture of continuous learning, businesses can enhance productivity and innovation. Addressing global challenges such as climate change, pandemics, and economic inequality requires international collaboration. Governments, businesses, and international organizations must work together to develop and implement solutions that transcend national boundaries. Global cooperation is essential for creating a stable and prosperous economic environment. In an increasingly uncertain global landscape, businesses must adopt strategies that emphasize diversification and adaptability. Diversifying supply chains, markets, and product offerings can mitigate risks associated with geopolitical tensions and market volatility. Additionally, businesses should cultivate a culture of adaptability, enabling them to respond swiftly to changing economic conditions and technological advancements. Digital transformation is no longer a choice but a necessity for businesses aiming to stay competitive. Investing in digital infrastructure, data analytics, and automation can drive efficiency and innovation. Companies that embrace digital transformation can better meet customer needs, streamline operations, and create new business models. Innovation is a key driver of economic growth. Governments and businesses should create environments that encourage research and development and support startups and entrepreneurs. Policies that provide incentives for R&D, protect intellectual property, and facilitate access to financing can spur innovation and drive economic progress. The global economic outlook for 2024 is characterized by a delicate balance of opportunities and challenges. While there are promising signs of recovery, particularly in North America and Asia, structural issues and geopolitical risks persist. By understanding these dynamics and adapting strategic measures, businesses and policymakers can navigate the complexity of the global economy and pave the way for sustainable growth and development. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on global economic trends. And let us know in the comments below what you think. the biggest challenge for the global economy will be in 2024. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.